Before you buy from kindcolor.com, watch this review. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what to check before ordering from kindcolor.com because the trust signals on this one are genuinely mixed. And that's worth knowing before you enter your card details. Kindcolor markets itself as an online retailer specializing in art supplies, paint brushes, canvases, easels, and painting accessories. On the surface, it looks like a normal niche shopping site, but different scam-checking tools have landed on very different conclusions about it, so let's walk through what's actually out there. Step 1. Look at the conflicting trust scores. One scam detection service gives kindcolor a low trust score of 19.8 out of 100, flagging it as a relatively new site. Another scanning tool gives it a 70 out of 100, citing a 3-year domain history and no active malware or phishing blacklist detections. When two trust tools disagree this much, that's a signal to dig deeper yourself rather than trust either score blindly. Step 2, and this is the part that matters most, check actual complaint reports. There's a real complaint filed with the Better Business Bureau's scam tracker from someone who says they attempted to buy a small $5 item from kindcolor.com and had their account drained as a result. That's a serious, specific red flag that carries more weight than an automated trust score. Step 3. Verify basic site legitimacy yourself before ordering. Check for a real return and refund policy, a physical business address, and legitimate contact information, and be cautious if any of those are missing or vague. Step 4. Protect your payment method regardless of what you decide. Use a credit card rather than a debit card or bank transfer for any unfamiliar site, since credit cards give you dispute rights that debit transactions and direct transfers generally don't. Step 5. Search for the site name alongside words like complaint or scam before you buy, and specifically check the BBB scam tracker and Reddit for first-hand experiences, since those tend to surface real problems faster than automated scanners do. Here's a pro tip. If you've already ordered from a site like this and you're now worried, don't wait around. Contact your card issuer immediately, explain the situation, and ask about disputing the charge or freezing the card. Acting quickly gives you a much better chance of stopping unauthorized charges before they pile up. So that's the honest picture on kindcolor.com, mixed automated trust scores, but at least one serious real-world complaint that's worth taking seriously before you buy anything from this site. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more online shopping safety guides, and let me know in the comments, has anyone here actually ordered from them?